are going to discuss the question answer of chapter 1 Science, class 7, DAV Public School. The name of the chapter is Nutrition in Living Organism Plants. So our first point is D number. Answer the following question in brief. Our first question is, why is nutrition important for living organism? All living beings carry out various life processes to maintain and continue their life. Carrying out the life processes can be possible only by continuous supply of energy and raw materials. Organisms need to get nutrition to get energy and raw material for various life processes. Our third question is, how do green plants synthesize their food? And the answer is, green plants take water and carbon dioxide and take up energy from sunlight. With the help of these things, green plants prepare their food in leaves where chlorophyll helps in trapping the solar energy. State the role of vessels in plant. Role of vessels in plant is transportation of water and minerals. Define the following terms. Our first term is symbiotic relationship. The relation between two organisms in which both benefit each other is called symbiotic relationship. Our next is nutrients. Matters which are essential components of food are called nutrients. Our third is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which a living being feeds on dead remains of plants and animals is called saprotrophic nutrition. In this case, the digestion of food takes place before ingestion. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their own food. When some wheat dough was left in open for a few days, it started emitting a foul smell. State why. And the answer is, when some wheat dough is left in the open for few days, it starts emitting a foul smell because the microbes start growing on it. These microbes decompose the dough. Due to this, the dough starts emitting foul smell. And here the E number starts. Our first question of E number is, why would life not be possible on earth in the absence of photosynthesis? And the answer is, we know that all living beings depend for food on green plants and so on photosynthesis. In case of absence of green plants on the earth, no organism would be able to get its food. Hence, life would be impossible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis. Second, give reason for the following. And our first is, mushroom is a saprotroph. And the answer is, mushroom feeds on dead and decaying remains by extracellular digestion. Hence, mushroom is a saprotroph. And our next point is, sun is the unlimited source of energy for all living organisms. We know that green plants trap solar energy to prepare food, and all other living beings depend on green plants for food. Thus, all other living beings take energy from green plants, which energy comes from the sun. Due to this, sun is the ultimate source of energy. And our C number is, the leaf of a plant dies out if its stomata are blocked. The answer is, stomata are tiny pores through which carbon dioxide comes in the leaves and water vapors go out. Intake of carbon dioxide, the expulsion of water vapor is necessary for photosynthesis in leaves. Moreover, stomata also facilitate breathing leaves. So this is clear that the leaf of a plant will die if its stomata. Leaf is known as the food factory of the plant. Answer. Plants usually prepare food in their leaves, hence leaf is known as the food factory of the plant. And the E number is, lichen is the living partnership between a fungus and an algae. And this partnership is beneficial to both. Lichen is a combination of a fungus and an alga. The fungal part absorbs water and mineral from the substratum, while the algal part carries out photosynthesis to prepare food. Thus, both partners benefit each other in the association. And our question number 3 is, why do some plants feed on insects? How does a pitcher plant catch insects? And the answer is, some plants which grow in marshy swamps do nitrogen deficient not get nitrogen because the soil in such areas suck plants, trap insects and suck their juices to fulfill their need of nitrogen. Our question number 4 is, how do rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants help each other in their survival? Rhizobium bacteria get a home in roots of leguminous. The leaf of that rhizobium helps in nitrogen fixation in soil. Nitrogen fixation benefits for the plants. Thus, rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants help each other in their survival. Our last question is, complete the web chart. And this is our web chart. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos of chapter 2. Bye bye.